Hi, it's Uptown Swing level 1. The return of Stacia! Y'all don't know, but she's been around forever. So, this was just basically a big practice class. Y'all did a great job. We're just going to show you a bunch of steps you did. You did a very good job with it. First of all, swing it out. And do it in a circle. From here we had promenade. Y'all did that. Look, good. We did a double turn. We also did glide inside in a new way. Glide, come together. Hey, glide. Then we did swing out, just swing out a whole bunch. Repeat, swing out. Then we did points. Hey, help, hey. And we also did low downs, don't forget. 5, 6, 7, 8, go shiver. Shiver. Why am I going so fast? Nobody knows. Hey, So, we did a bunch of practice. You guys did a great job just practicing this. Then we practiced social dancing, asking people with your words. And try to remember that it's supposed to be about fun when you go out dancing. So, you've got the technique, you're working on that. Remember to make the fun first, that's really, really important. And don't stress out too much. Any pointers about going out?
Actually go out. Actually ask someone to dance.
Don't be shy about it. And just don't apologize the whole time, right? In fact, don't even talk that much. Say, would you like to dance? And then to yourself, say all the things you want to say on the inside. Go home, whisper them to your pillow at night. Don't tell people how much you suck. Have a good time with it. You guys did a great job. Hopefully we'll see you next week. Thank you, Stacia.